Facebook. John was in there feeding cats. And I don't know how long it took before Kristen, she was allowed in.
Right.
But by that time, they had seen her
Okay.
a lot.
Right.
She was
No raking, no raking.
So then she started going in to treat them and do the procedure.
Right.
And it had been this.
Oh.
Wonderful. It's a great treat.
Sorry.
You didn't know you were going to have a little one today to play
A
with.
baby's so early. So young. Yeah, but don't be fooled. She's strong. Like I said earlier, she's like a baby with a pair of Vise-Grips. She will attack you.
She said she'd met her.
Oh.
Baby.
She's brain damaged when she's
I think
older.
trying to
Not
make
your
her way
fault.
over there to- Brain damage. Hey, it's not falling out of a tree.
Uh-oh. Hey, Squirt.
Can't quite make it.
He had,
Look at
he
this.
had an epileptic raccoon
Oh,
called
he did it.
Sandy.
Jeffrey, he's trying to get out, and he couldn't get his leg out.
She's so peaceful when she's falling.
Oh, cries like a baby. We once had an epileptic raccoon called Sandy. She lived with us for a year. She used the kitty box just like